This here will summarize almost everything we did in this big chapter. There are two main reasons why human population has risen. And the first thing is actually medical care. Medical care here, I mean two main things. First, vaccines, and second, antibiotics. When we invented vaccines that helped us to live longer and increase in numbers, so are antibiotics. Now, there's another reason why the human population has risen very fast, and that is food. So nowadays, we have more food than ever before. And there are four reasons why the amount of food has increased worldwide. Number one is monoculture. Monoculture is the fact that we are growing one species over large areas. Think of wheat, think of corn, think of potatoes. We grow them over large kilometers, and that makes the amount of food produced very large because farmers don't worry about treating plants differently. They give them all the same amount of water, all the same fertilizers, all the same pesticides. So this increases the yield way too much. Another thing is what we call livestock, intensive livestock. That's like monoculture, but for cows and sheep. Having one species in large areas also makes it very easy for the farmer because they could simply give them all the same antibiotic. Sometimes they give them hormones, and that increases the yield as well. We also invented genetic engineering, selective breeding. These also increase the amount of food. And lastly, our machineries. Think of all the machineries we use in farming that made the farming become way better than ever before. More people means more demand. Demand for what? Demand for energy. So you need electricity, you need fuel for your car, and with more fuel, there is more combustion. And here we face a large increase in carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is a major cause for global warming, climate change. Also, more humans, more food means more livestock. Those cows produce methane. Methane is another greenhouse gas. So livestock, if they get a question about livestock, intensive livestock farming, you would mention the manure part, which is a source of nitrogen responsible for eutrophication, and the methane, which is a greenhouse gas.